Come on in.
What's going on, Dave? How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks.
Good.
Question. I heard the UA is doing some amazing work in career-connected learning.
Man, you heard absolutely right.
Cool, but when's the last time we actually seen it in person?
You know, it's been too long.
Can you show me?
Let's go. Let's check it out right now.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Jay and I are on a tour of the best career-connected schools in New York City, which brings us here to the Urban Assembly School for Emergency Management.
You came to the right place. Come on, let's go. Career-connected learning is important in public education because
when students graduate, they can directly translate what they've learned inside the building and apply it outside.
The experience that I had on an internship it was my first job ever, my first internship ever, and I had to call someone and they were really rude. And it kind of showed me how to relax and compose myself so that I don't give them the same attitude that they're giving me.
Being an EMT is not a solo job, you have a partner at all times.
Next pulse. No pulse, start. Going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
because our focus is in healthcare and helping our students train to become EMT and paramedics, SEL is a huge part of this field.
My name is Noshin Ona.
My name is Rob Schwartz.
My name is Kaylin Alverio.
My name is Justin Trigueros.
My name is Jordi Amante.
My name is Salita Maldonado, and I'm one of the assistant principals here at the Urban Assembly School for Emergency Management and Innovation.
Starts here.
I visited Urban Assembly Gateway for the first time. The second I stepped off the elevator, I knew this place was different.
Career-connected learning in our school looks like students learning about career pathways while they're still in high school.
So when you're teaching things like grit, aspiration, when you're teaching things like collaboration, these sort of work values that are essential in the workplace. Working with Etsy, there was a lot of offhand work that I had to do that wasn't during my 5 hours online. Being able to work when I'm off the clock or when I'm not getting paid, because these kind of things are what will push someone who works on the clock and who works off the clock for success.
As an alumni of Urban Assembly Gateway, I would say my experiences here at this school have prepared me for my college career as well as my professional career in software development.
I believe that more students, when they graduate from high school, would have a set path.
We would be able to put the values that are taught later on in college and at work into high school, basically allowing for there to be more preparation in high school for the work life ahead of them.
And so if you're looking for a place that everything is grounded in tech, everything is grounded in the learning of tech careers, this is the place for you.
My name is Robinson Mejia.
My name is Ms. Friedman.
My name is Marcus Rodriguez.
I'm Dr. Quint.
Fatimata Konate, 2022, graduate of UAG.
My name is Misty, and I'm the proud principal of Urban Assembly Gateway School for Technology.
And innovation.
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 Innovation starts
Innovation starts here.
The Urban Assembly New York Harbor School is located here on Governor's Island, a very unique school.
At Harbor School, career-connected learning is working inside and outside of the classroom.
Scuba diving is my CTE here, and for 3 years I've mainly been focusing on getting my certifications for scuba diving and being able to scuba dive outside of here.
Right now I just finished my most recent internship at a nonprofit called Big Reuse, and I really learned a lot, especially being in a nonprofit. It's a completely different environment from any other workspace.
We have 7 different pathways that students get to choose and select after their first year here at the school for the next 3 years.
In my CTE courses and my after school programs, there's a lot of collaboration.
But what's really important for students in the career technical education is they're working with that person. They get to work with people that are other adults in the fields that they're interested in, doing real work that contributes to a larger whole.
Harbor School is the only school in the nation to be able to have a scuba diving CT.
I think every school should have career-connected learning in their schools because students get opportunities to get outside the classroom, work with their hands, work with their brains, constantly problem solving and thinking.
Because we're located in New York Harbor, when it comes time to get our advanced up in water certification, we travel to the Bahamas to do that. And the experience there, just to be able to meet the new people, just to be able to experience what diving is like outside of New York, it's amazing.
At Harbor School especially, we take a sustainable approach to everything, and not just sustainability in the use of like environmental conservation, but in the use of equity. Learning in the way that we do at Harbor School, just a better way of doing things in an equal way.
My name is Mauricio Mendoza.
My name is Liana.
I'm a senior at the Urban Assembly New York Harbor School.
I am Jeffrey Shaturko. I'm the principal of the Urban Assembly New York Harbor School. And Innovation
starts here.
So Jay, we had a great time looking across schools across New York City with examples of career-connected learning today.
Especially at emergency management, Harbor, and Gateway.
We sure did. I wonder what it would look like if every school shared the vision for career-connected learning that the Urban Assembly did.
Yeah, if we did that work, we should be leading it though.
And we will.
Yeah.
Because innovation
starts here.